Checking your money and investments on your Friday, your 401k or mutual fund portfolio has seen a nice turnaround in the last couple of days as stocks surge. Markets were on fire most of the day, but you'll notice they lost their sizzle. On Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke's testimony in front of Congress, the Fed chief did not offer up any further stimulus plans to juice our slack economy. We don't get a lot of other data today. Let's see. We are expecting stocks to pull back, and in fact, they are as we look at the big board. The Dow Industrials are down about 50, 51, 52 points right now, trading at 12,412. Let's take a second, take a look at some local stocks, maybe companies you work for or maybe are in your 401k. Alaska Air with a move up. Amazon seeing a bit of a pullback, and so is Boeing. Boeing rolled out its first 787 Dreamliner this week that will not require major additional work before delivery, and that is a positive sign of streamlined manufacturing when it comes to the 787. Expedia up about 13 cents. Let's check 5 more stocks here before we head out. Take a look at Microsoft, Nordstrom, PACCAR, and Starbucks with a pullback this morning, but the coffee giant will start selling single cup coffee containers for those single cup Keurig coffee makers that many of you have in your home. I want to tell you a book out next week details the last days of Washington Mutual. The Lost Bank, as it's called, is written by Wall Street Journal reporter Kirsten. Now, she followed the bank's collapse in 2008 as a reporter here for the Puget Sound Business Journal. The book promises to take readers inside the boardrooms during America's biggest bank collapse and as JPMorgan circled and came in to swallow that bank up for pennies on the dollar. You can read an excerpt in today's print version of the Puget Sound Business Journal. And then we've got this for you. Our partners as well at the Journal report the Seattle Aquarium is ramping up plans to build a new seal habitat. The current seal pen was originally designed for salmon. That doesn't work unless they're feeding. It's too small and dreary for the seals, including Barney, born at the aquarium almost 26 years ago. The city is kicking in $3.5 million, and the aquarium is out there trying to raise $3 million more. We've linked this story to the business section of KOMOnews.com. And we all know, if we've been to the Seattle Aquarium, it's a wonderful place.
Oh, of course.
Great for families, and so they're trying to, still boost some of those exhibits.